Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can add a watermark to your photos on Canva. So there are two ways you can go about this. You can go to text and you can add in text here. I'm just going to type in watermark. I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to color the text white. I'm also going to go to the transparency and I'm just going to make it less visible but still there, like this maybe. I am going to also rotate it and I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger, and you can copy and paste it many times like that, or you can go to elements and maybe type in watermark here, go to graphics and use the watermarks here or stuff like that. And again, you're going to adjust the opacity as well here. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.